Let's make juice. 2 ingredients, watermelon and limes. Let's get this watermelon cut up so we can get it over in the juice machine. Okay, gang, we got our watermelon all cut up, as y'all can see in the bowl. We got our limes cut in half with our juicer here, lime juicer. And then we're going to get our machine set up so we can get this watermelon ran through the machine. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Subscribe to my channel, please. Like and share the videos for anybody looking for great recipes, crafting, and great ideas over here at Zoladonsfreshmarket to transmute negative energy. I'd like to thank you for watching my video today. See you on the next clip when we get to juicing. Okay, gang, got everything juiced up. Got our beaker. This one is full. We also juiced our limes as well. This is our lime juice.